Hi everyone, this is Stephanie with Children's Drawing and Painting at Locust Street Art.
And this video will be about making a postcard for a friend. For this tutorial, you will need a thick piece of paper like cardstock, or canvas or cardboard, colored pencils, paints and permanent markers, a ruler, and a pair of scissors. So let's get started with prepping the postcard. A postcard is typically about 6 inches long and 4 inches tall, but just about any size will do. When you have your postcard sheet, go ahead and format it like a postcard using a ruler to draw lines and boxes. Once you have one side ready for writing, go ahead and decorate the other side with a picture. You can use paints, markers, colored pencils, crayons, just about anything you have, and you can create any kind of picture you want. I went ahead and did a spring theme with colorful flowers and a green background. The purpose of this postcard is just to brighten up my friend's day. So I want a picture that is just as bright and just as happy. I'm using watercolors for this picture. And to use watercolors, I need to cover my working area so I don't get paint on my surfaces, and I also need a cup of water to wash out my paintbrush after each color. Once I'm done with my picture, I have to let it dry before I flip it over to write my message. I will draw lines with colored pencils so that my writing is nice and neat. It's best to write with a permanent marker or pen, something that will not be smudged. This is why you want paper that is thick enough to stand on its own and that will not be damaged in the mail. Now, your postcard is ready to send. Put a stamp on it and send it on its way. Make sure you have all the information it needs to get to your friend. Join us on Saturdays during our Zoom classes to make your own artwork. Check out our website for more tutorials and our class schedule.
Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned with Locust Street Art.